So we've got a winter storm system coming in, and it's supposed to bring in some snow. We're predicted to get anywhere between 4 and 6 inches here, probably where I'm going. I may see a little more in the morning. So we'll see what we wake up to, and that'll be a lot of fun. I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna lie. My daughter, the 1-year-old, has tried to send me with an extra fork here. Very nice. Thanks for that, Renly. All right, we've made it about a half mile in. Oh, it's been straight up. Starting to get a pretty good view up here though. Steep. Oh. I think we found it. Let's get up here and set up camp. Feels good to get that pack off. You can hear the water coming out of there. Look right down here. Look how fast that water's running out of there. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with this water. That's right off the lizard's back. Man, this is pretty. A military surplus canteen. Right here. Got us a military surplus stove. Canteen stove. And then let's see, we're just going to use a little bit of sterno to cook this with right now. So we need to go ahead and get it done. We'll build us a fire here in just a little bit. It starts cooling off. All right. A bit of sterno here. Should be enough to cook just a little while right there. Alright, just like that. There we go. That is lit. And that good top ramen. Now that ain't even top ramen, son. That's that macaron. All right, let's get camp set up. feels good with the sun shining in here. Tastes just like ramen. Not bad. All right. We've been working for the last little bit, getting camp set up, getting wood in. We've got quite a bit in, but I still might get in a few more sticks before it gets dark. All right, there we go. I've just got a sleeping bag in here, got an extra blanket, got a little bitty pillow right here, but it's all I need, just something to keep my head up and comfortable and sleep through such a cold night tonight. All right, let's go get us some water. Go ahead and use our tent stuff bag for our water bottles. We've got something to carry them with, make our life just a little bit easier. We'll go down here and get us some water and we'll come back, get a fire started. Just amazing to see what these old timers done. All this is stacked rock that they've carried from all around here. Up there's another pile. You seen that pile? Look at this whole big long rock wall right here they've built. Still amazing. Really neat stuff.
See where they've stacked it in there. These old timers were really rough people, very tough. And every day their life was just centered around surviving and making a living from what they had on the land. They traded but very little. When they traded, they knew what they had. And it was worth something to them. There's their camp down in there. You know, it was worth something to them. I love it. Tonight, I really need to go ahead and get this fire started. We're going to go ahead and get one roaring here. Go ahead and get us some supper going, guys. Here we go. It's really hot. Yeah. Lay that down in there. That stuff will burn good. It's that sterno fuel. All right, we've got us a fire going, folks. Give that just a little bit to burn down. We'll have something good to eat. Got some real good dry wood right here, laying here on the ground, on this blanket right here. Got it off of the moist ground. We're going to put as much as we can right down in our tent stuff sack. That way we can put it under our shelter tonight. In the morning, we will have plenty of good dry kindling for our fire in the morning. Because if it does snow, everything's going to be under the snow in the morning, and we're not going to have anything to get our fire started. So we got to think ahead. And just let the good times roll. Alright, we'll get our tater cut up. Very nice. Right. Oh Lord, yes. We're just about ready to eat. Pretty good. Tater's still a little crunchy, but I'm gonna make do. I got the rest of them cooking in a pan over here. I'll get them done. Oh, but they are good. They taste delicious. Man, you can't beat it. Got that pork tenderloin. Oh yeah, cooked up there just right. Look at that. A little crunch when you bite into it. Man. That is some good stuff. That's some good hog. Hog back strap. Got that off of the stick right here. It's done. Try some piece of it. Man, it looks really good. Oh my God. That's better than anything out of a pan. That's good. Look how crispy, crunchy that got. There we go. We can have some dry wood in the morning. We've got some chamomile tea we're fixing to partake of. Get us a little bit of hot beverage down before bed. Got a nice hot fire going. We're staying toasty. Cheers. I'm gonna get some rest. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good snow on the ground this morning. Let's get up and get a fire going. That is why we put our tinder up, our kindling up last night to dry. Feels good. Hot water bottles stayed good and warm last night. This one's still really warm actually, which is nice. Liking that. We're gonna have us a little bit of coffee this morning. All right, we've got our can of biscuits. while the coffee's brewing. We'll go ahead and get us a biscuit started. A biscuit or two. If you're watching this and you know who you are, thank you for showing me this. There we go. Just need that right around there like a nice little biscuit hot dog. We'll stick that right over the fire just like that. Start roasting it. That'll bake on that stick just fine. Go ahead and get us a bit of coffee out here. Some Folgers instant coffee in your cup. In my cup this morning. I don't know what you're putting in your cup, but this is what is going on. Go ahead and let her rip, tater chip. There we go. Hopefully that's good. Bit of good coffee. I hope. That water bottle is still warm. Oh yeah, we're getting there, folks. We are getting there. Tastes like coffee. I'm ready to get this bacon on there. Tired fooling around. Some bacon on, biscuit on the stick. A little coffee this morning. Oh yeah, life's good. Oh yeah, that's just right. Nothing wrong with that. We'll go ahead and just lay them pieces of meat right there in your biscuit. Just like that. Look there. Hold that baby up. Mm-hmm.
to them. All right, folks. I'm gonna have to start breaking camp and getting out of here. All right, here we go. Down the mountain. Oh man. There's a good 8 inches of snow up here anyways. I got ice in my mustache. It's cold out here. We're making it. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. Ah, gosh, that sucks. Snow is deep. Ooh. Ooh. I have to say, this is a proper snow. I'm trying to fix my britches. Golly. Yeah. We're about to make it out. My battery is just about to die. Oh, oh, it's pretty.
I was gonna make tater soup. Yep. Tater soup would be good. There's so much snow. We'll have to figure it out.
I appreciate y'all watching the first episode of Bare Ground Outdoors. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one.